So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel guys. So today's video, so first of all I would say right now I am here outside from my house, and actually why I am here, as you guys already knew that why I always prefer to start vlog from outside. Actually at my home, if I start speaking in home or in front of some people, so I get speechless. So that is why I mostly prefer to start vlog from outside, right? So especially, yes, that is why I prefer to start vlogging from outside. Okay, so right now, as you guys already know, so why I am here outside from my house, actually my first job is to tie my cattle. So that is why cattle or pets, right? So that is why I have come to tie my cattle. And now as you can see, this is the first one, second one, and the third one. I am not sure you are able to see or not properly, but yes, as you can see done, and that I have done to tie them, and it's time to back home. But before I dive into this vlog, I want to make sure, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, right? Because in this channel you will get a lots of relevant content, this kind of. So if you guys are especially belong to rural area, so this channel is going to be very super helpful. Yeah, and also it's completely free, right? So that is why please done it. And right now it's time to back home. But yes, while going home, if I got anything or any object, I'm going to teach a lots of English sentences by using the things or object, right? So that is why please keep on watching. Okay, so before I going home, do you guys want to see the view of this place where I am at? Okay, so now I am going to show you by turning the rear camera. So now as you can see, and here there are lots of people who are working with the tractor, and this is the background where I am at, right? And here there are a bunch of cattle. Now as you can see, they are grazing here. Okay, so let me get home first, and then let's see what all kind of things I am going to teach. Okay, so here there is another guy who have also come to tie their cattle, and he has also a buffalo. Now as you can see, and now what this is called a calf, but I'm not sure it is female calf or male calf, but it's calf. And again, but the word calf is L silent here, CALF, calf, just similar to wood, like WOULD, wood, not wood, right? Wood. By the way, there are lots of words that are similar to these, so you keep watching, and a lots of words similar to these two words will come in upcoming vlogs. Okay guys, so I just got back home a bit earlier, and also I have washed my face and feet. So right now I am going to my home. See what's in my hand. This is called a sickle. The sickle, that's true, we cut grass, but right now I am not going to get grass. Right now I am going to get some corn leaf to feed our pets, right? So to get a burden of corn leaf, I need two tools. First one is sickle, and next one I need a rope so that I can tie a burden of corn leaf, right? She has got, and right now I am going to do the same work. You just keep on watching. And there is a guy who is cutting a bamboo with a saw. The equipment that is using to cut the bamboo is called saw. So right now I just got back home with the burden of corn leaf. Right now I place this a burden of corn leaf here in the floor. But here is a sickle. I would like to keep it here in another place in the fence. I hang up, and right now I am going to the faucet to wash my hand and face, because I am feeling too much warm. This is called a sickle, and with this sickle, first I peel this mango, and now I am going to eat them. I refill this mango because it got fall. So that is why I just after refill I am going to eat them. Sour ice cream man, and I have brought a Jaljeera ice cream to have it. Delicious. And I have brought this ice cream for 5 rupees. But what do you guys think? How much does one piece of ice cream in your country, in your city, or in your state? Please let us know in the comment. Or do you guys think it is expensive, or do you guys think it is cheap? So please let us know in the comment below. Okay guys, so right now again I am here in this place. Actually it's 12 p.m. and this time to give water to my pets. So that is why I have come to the same place where I have tied my pets here, right? So here right now I am going to take my pets to the river to give water because it's crossing hot today. So and also because we are middle of the summer, so that is why right now we are feeling too much warm. And now as you can see the sun, and also that is why I have got this towel to protect the sun from me, because otherwise without this towel I am feeling warm, right? It is very difficult to stay in the sun or walking in the sun. So especially that is why I have brought this. Okay, so let me take my cattle to the river to give them water. Now this is the first one, yes, and the second and third one is there. Okay guys, so just see the view of this river. There is a river called Mahananda river. Yes, Mahananda river. And I have brought my pets by giving water, and now they are grazing. And again now I'm going to tie them one by one where is so much grass. See what I have. This is called an umbrella. Actually there were someone and who has went to the market with his husband wife, right? They both have gone to the market and they have mistakenly brought this umbrella, and he says actually I mistakenly brought this umbrella and we do not want to take this umbrella market because sometimes we forget things. So that is why we do not want to take this umbrella. And says, Nakul, could you please take this umbrella to home because we do not want to take them to the market. And that is why I took this umbrella from him, and right now I am taking home. Okay, so let me reach home first and then let's see what will I teach. I'm not sure. Guys, while coming towards river, I remind that my mom also asked me to take our cows just after giving water. So that is why right now I am taking my cattle. I am taking my cattle along with me to home. So now it's time to have a shower. So first I would like to take off my entire clothes and then I will have a shower to the process. So I just took a bath and also I have changed my shirt and pant, and now it's time to apply oil in my hair and I will comb and then I will have lunch. And I don't know what they have cooked for lunch. Okay, let's see. So I just had lunch and also I have comb and apply oil, and now I am going to have rest as a nap. Nap, N-A-P, nap in the sense a little rest is called a nap. Now time to take a nap. Amer Josh. Okay guys, there are two little kids, or there are two little goat eating some corn leaves. Now as you can see that I have brought earlier, right? I am having some selfie here just to add on thumbnail, right? Oi, look at the camera. Yes, enough. and I kept it here, and now it's 4:30 p.m. It's 4:30 p.m. and this time to go to the river to get my pets, so that is where right now I am going. There is a little girl who is bringing a burden, now as you can see, of wood. Yes, if I got anything, and I'm going to teach some English sentences by using the thing, right? So keep on watching, that's enjoy. Here there are a bunch of bamboos, and this is the farm where I have come to cut corn leaf, right? Yes, or this is the farm where I came to got some corn leaf to my pets, right? Yes, this one. Okay guys, so right now again I have come to the place where I have come twice in a day. Yes, and right now it's thrice running, right? Actually I have to every day come to the place thrice in a day. Yes, so first time in the morning time when I have to tie my cattle for the first time in a day, and the second time in the afternoon time when I have to give water, and the next time means in the third time, that is right now. And right now I have come to get my cattle or to bring my cattle right from here. Now actually there are some moment to stay here, so after some moment I am gonna take my pets home, but right now I have moved my cattle from here to next place so that they can graze more, right? And after a few moments, as I told you, I will have to take them home. So okay, so right now there is anything so that I can teach you English, so that is why from here I would like to stop recording, because I do not want to stress this vlog unnecessarily longer, right? Okay, so that's all for today, and please like and subscribe for more such kind of valuable content, and bye bye.